ఈ వీడియోలో మనం ఓఎస్ఎస్ టెట్ సిబిటి లేదా డిఎస్సి ఒడిశా 2019 ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాము. 2019 క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇందులో సెక్షన్ 4లో చూసుకుంటే సెక్షన్ 4లో పేపర్ 1లో మనకి చైల్డ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అండ్ పెడాగోజీ మరియు ఎస్ఎంఎస్ ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. వీటి మీద 50 మార్కులకి ఇస్తారు. సో మనకి స్కోరింగ్ కావాలంటే ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ని బాగా మనం రాయాలి. సో ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ మనం డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. 51. In order to measure the personality of students, a school adopts the objective methods of personality measurement. Which of the following methods will be most suitable in this regard? Answer 51. A. Observation is right answer. Observation is a right answer. 52. Community mobilization and establishment of the alternative schooling centers. Responsibility of answer 52. A. Village Education Committee is right answer. Village Education Committee is right answer. Next, 53. A student learns to assemble an electrical circuit in science class by observing the teacher. However, since he has not tested this, he doesn't assemble the circuit. However, some days later in his house, the fuse goes off and he repairs it. This is which kind of learning? Answer 53. A. Latent learning is right answer. Latent learning is right answer. 54. When teaching a topic to students of grade 1, a teacher always tries to combine the verbal information with visual information in the form of diagrams, pictures and illustrations related to the topic. As per Barner, which mode of representation is being followed by this teacher? Answer 54. D. Iconic representation is right answer. Iconic representation. 55. Determining factors of individual differences in human beings are related to 55. Answer A. Interaction between heredity and environment is right answer. Interaction between heredity and environment is right answer. 56. In a constructivist classroom, the students are engaged in verifying the theory and generalizations presented to them by the teacher. Which method of the teaching has the teacher adopted? 56. Answer A. Deductive method is right answer. Deductive method is right answer. 57. Which of the following options was a basic feature of further scheme of education formed under the chairmanship of Dr. Zakir Hussain? 57. Answer C. Inclusion of craft-centered education is right answer. What does UGC stand for? What does UGC stand for? 58A. University Grants Commission. University Grants Commission is right answer. 59. Which of the following is advised by the teacher in whose class there are a few gifted students? Answer D. Special classes with enriched programs can be conducted. Next, 60. The regulatory powers on open and distance learning system in India is vested with which of the following government bodies? Answer B. University Grants Commission. B is right answer. 61. Effectiveness on teaching is more when there is the use of. 61. Answer A. What is right answer? 62. Which of the following committees was set up to review national policy on education 1986? 62. Answer C. Ramamurthy Committee report. Ramamurthy Committee report. 63. Setting goals and deciding strategies of teaching occurs in which phase of teaching? Answer 63. A. Free active phase is right answer. 64. A constructivist classroom requires the science teacher to 64. Answer D. Act as a facilitator and give students ample opportunity to manipulate hands-on material. D is right answer. 65. Which of the following resolution was passed at Varda Education Conference 1937? 65 answer B. Free and compulsory education. Free and compulsory education. 66. The broader meaning of education includes all the experiences and knowledge acquired through. 66 answer B. Formal, informal and incidental learning. B is right answer. 67. Achievability, communicable and meaningful, realistic and continuity are the characteristics of. 67. B. Minimum learning level. B is right answer. 68. A teacher notices that some students in the class have anxiety and phobia towards certain subject and this is affecting their performance in the class. To remove this phobia, which of the following will be most useful? Answer 68. A. Classical conditioning. Classical conditioning is right answer. 69. Which of the following statements is true to consider education as a product? 69. D. The learner acquires knowledge, skills and values as outcomes of learning. D is right answer. 70. The teachers who teach classes 9 and above in Bharati school tell students about careers which the students can enter into after they complete their school education. This means that they are provided them. 70 answer C. Vocational education is right answer. Vocational education is right answer. 71. Which of the following is the right combination for initiation of education ceremony? 71. C. Hindu Upanayana is right answer. Hindu Upanayana. 72. Name the dimension of equality and social justice for which the school system will have to strive for. Answer 72. D. Economic disparity is right answer. 73. What does the epigenetic principle of development given by Erik Erikson emphasize? 73 answer B. Development of personality occurs in a predetermined order is right answer. A student while playing a game on the mobile phone learns many new vocabulary words. This is an example of which kind of learning? 74 B. Incidental learning. B is right answer. 75. The continuance of a child in a single class for 2 or 3 years due to failure is referred as. 75 B. Stagnation. Stagnation is right answer. 76. The theory of operant conditioning focuses on the concept of conditioning which is brought about with the help of an operant. This theory was propounded by. Answer A. B.F. Skinner is right answer. B.F. Skinner is right answer. NCF 2005 recommends that total homework time for secondary and higher secondary should be about 77. Answer C. 10 to 12 hours a week. 78. N.S. Rumi, the class teacher, realized that Richa had a problem in writing properly after meeting with an accident. Richa was probably suffering from a learning disability called. 78 answer D. Dysgraphia. Dysgraphia is right answer. Out of 12 years of schooling, 8 years are termed elementary education, which was made compulsory to which of the following age groups does it correspond? 79 answer A. Between 6 to 14 years of age. 80. The 1986 National Policy on Education was modified in. Answer C. 1992. 1992లో నేషనల్ పాలసీ ఆఫ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ మాడిఫై చేయడం జరిగింది. We would associate the principle of Ananda Yoga with which of the following philosophers? 81 answer D. Tagore is right answer. D. Tagore is right answer. 82. In which of the following methods to promote active learning a teacher asks questions to students during the course of teaching? 82. A. Socratic method. A. Socratic method. 83. Which of the following could be a problem faced by a student who continuously rubs his eyes and pays less attention during blackboard work. 83. Answer C. Vision problem. 84. In the field of education, which of the following is the correct expanded form of the acronym NIOS? NIOS. Answer 84. A. National Institute of Open Schooling. 85. The last stage of development, according to Erikson, speaks about. 85. Answer A. Ego, integrity versus disappear. A is right answer. 86. A punching bag is put in a school to be used by students to vent out their emotions and frustrations. This is punching bag idea is based on which defense mechanism? Answer 86. C. Catharsis. Catharsis is right answer. 87. When was Bengal Primary Education Bill passed? 87. Answer C. 1919 is right answer. 88. Dave Committee gave the following recommendations for primary education. 88. Answer B. Indicators and skills for achievement of minimum learning level. B is right. 89. Which of the following resolutions were passed at Varda Education Conference 1937? Answer D. Pre and compulsory education. According to Burt 1973, a child who is unable to cope up with the work normally expected of his schoolmates of his age is called. Answer B. Slow or backward. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం మన కంటెంట్ని డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. PCM పేపర్ని డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.